Welcome to Guide Glim's channel. OpenAI's Codex is a powerful AI model specifically designed to generate and understand code. While many people associate it with GitHub Copilot, which was originally powered by a version of Codex, it has evolved into a standalone product with its own set of tools, including a command line interface, that is CLI, and deep integration with the broader ChatGPT platform. This tutorial provides a full, updated guide on how to install and use OpenAI Codex. What is OpenAI Codex? Codex is an AI agent that goes beyond simple code completion. It's a system that can, first, generate code from natural language prompts. It can also debug and fix bugs in a code base. It can also write tests and documentation, refactor code and adhere to style guides, propose pull requests with a full understanding of your repository. Codex is not a single tool, but a family of products that include Codex CLI, a lightweight coding agent that runs locally in your terminal. This is open source and provides a secure way to use Codex without sending your code to the cloud. We also have Codex Cloud, a cloud-based agent that runs in an isolated, sandboxed environment. This is ideal for offloading long-running tasks or working with sensitive code bases without risking your local machine. Another product is Codex for ChatGPT, deep integration within the ChatGPT interface, allowing you to give high-level commands and work without your repositories directly from a chat window. Now, the first step is accessing and installing Codex. You can access Codex in a few ways depending on your needs. First method is using the Codex CLI, which I would recommend for developers. First, you need system requirements here. Just ensure that you have Node.js, that is version 22 or newer, and Git installed on your system. Also, install. Open your terminal and install the Codex CLI globally using npm. We also have bash npm install g at openai/codex. That is what you need to install Codex CLI. Another third thing is to authenticate. Run the Codex login command and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your ChatGPT account. That is Plus, Pro, Team, or Enterprise plan is required. Alternatively, you can authenticate with an OpenAI API key, which will be billed separately. We have this bash Codex login. Now, another thing is to run. Just navigate to your project directory and simply type Codex to get started. The second method is using Codex in the ChatGPT interface. Just log in to your ChatGPT account here on your web browser. Now, locate Codex in the left-hand sidebar. Look for the Codex icon, often a new two arrows like this icon. If you don't see it, it may be in a beta feature list in your account settings. Now you'll need to connect to GitHub. The first time you use it, you'll need to authorize Codex to access your GitHub repositories. You can choose to grant access to all the repositories or even select a few. The second step is to master the core commands and prompts. Whether you are using the CLI or the ChatGPT interface, Codex works best with clear natural language prompts. First, we have the initial setup and context here. In the CLI, simply navigate to your project folder. The agent automatically has read/write access to this repository. In the ChatGPT interface, select the repository and branch you want to work on. The agent will clone it into a secure, isolated sandbox environment. Now, these are some of the common commands for both CLI and ChatGPT. First one we have, explain this repo to me. Codex will provide a high-level summary of your project's architecture, dependencies, and purpose. We also have another one here, /fix a bug in auth.py that causes the login to fail. This is a powerful command that tells the agent to analyze a specific file, diagnose a problem, and propose a fix. Also, we have /test utils.js. This will restrict Codex to read your test suite and generate new test cases for a specific file. We also have Implement a user profile page with a form to update user details. Give the agent a high-level feature request and it will write the necessary code across multiple files. We also have /doc, that is for CLI only. Use this command to automatically generate documentation comments for a function or class. Another key thing is using now the agents.nd file. For Teams, the agents.md file is a game changer. It's a configuration file you place in your repository that provides instructions to the AI agent. We have this example content here. All pull requests should include a brief summary of the changes. Codex will read these instructions and ensure its changes comply with your team's standards. The third step is to review and commit changes. Codex is designed to work as your teammate, not a replacement. You are always in control of the final output. Reviewing changes is the first one. After Codex completes a task, it will present a summary of the changes, including a diff view showing the exact lines of code that were changed. We also have terminal logs, a detailed record of the commands it ran and the output. We also have explanations, a human readable summary of what it did and why. You can accept or reject the changes. If you are working in the CLI, you can review the diff and manually commit it. In the cloud, you can request a pull request directly from the interface. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.